Tariki 3 mweri wa Dithemba niguo kiama kia maabithaa a urigitani a clinical officers maheanire notithi ya thikũ 21 na kuruta mukana wa kuiga miro thii kwambiriria umuthi tariki 23 mweri wa Dithemba.
The CS for Labor is very much aware about this strike. Even the Deputy President is very much aware about this strike. So allowing a strike notice of 21 days to mature is deliberate. It is not something that has happened as an accident.
Mugomo uyu riu ni wambiriirie na guthararia mihango ya urigitani thibitari-ini ngurani. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia maabithaa aya George GIBORE akiuga gutire abithaa o wothe ugukorwo akiruta wira.
I want to dare any person to go around Nairobi. There is no facility which is functional. So the people who come here over 1,000, where are they today? And why should any governor sit comfortable waiting for any patient to be denied services or rather to lack services instead of addressing the grievances of the caregivers?
Kuringana na utongoria wa kiama giki, Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI orodomwe na kanju ya magavana niyo akuorotererio kiara kuona niyo maregete gwikira kirore NGIRIMITI ya uruti wa wira thengia ya kamiti ya guthurima mishara ya uruti wira a muingi gukorwo hitukitie mbeca iria irabatarania gukinyaniria NGIRIMITI ino.
That once the strike has started, we need a structured engagement with the employer. We don't want to dilly-dally because I have already received several calls by the county government trying to intimidate our officers and calling our officers to go back to work.
Kwaga gukinyanirio kwa NGIRIMITI ino gucungiririe maabithaa aingi kurika thiini wa nditi cia kibeca oro undu umwe na mathina ma kimeciria, undu uria muikariri giti wa kiama giki Peterson Wachira atariirie waya gucungiriria aingi kuremererwo kuheana motungata uria kwagiriire.
Into WHO, we are supposed to see only about 35 to 40 patients within 8 hours. We are seeing in excess of 100 patients. So by the time we reach number 60, you are mentally crowded, you are fatigued. And if you do a simple Google search of occupational fatigue, you'll see that you'll have mental cloudness. And that means that you cannot think straight. And that is why sometimes we miss the diagnosis, not because we are not well taught.
Kiama giki ni kiorotete thirikari cia county ngurani iria ciagite gukinyaniria mendekithia ma kamiti ya guthurima mishara o hamwe na iria irekururia hari uheani wa marua ma wira kuri maabithaa aria makoretwo makiruta wira rungu rwa tabarira ya Global Fund oro udumwe na UHC.
And the demand was clear: harmonize their salary, put them on PNP. They have harmonized salary for the UHC staff. They have not given them the permanent and pensionable.
The county governments were supposed to employ more clinical officers as per the staffing norms and standards. From the current 8,000 that we have, according to the Ministry of Health document, for us to be able to implement UHC, we require 24,000 clinical officers.
Haduini Hakameme TV, Titagogena, Wawadura.